Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add adding your friends in the Call of Duty mobile game. So firstly, click the friends icon at the top right of your screen. This is the friends icon. So this is friend page. As you can see, this is friend invite. You can share your code to invite your friends on your in your Facebook or other platform. For example, like this invite. You can invite your friends by WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger or Facebook main page. And also you can adding friends in same server in your game. So this is friend of my server. So you can request a friend, for example, like this. I request this person, confirm. So you have to wait if your requested friend confirmed by him. So if your friend already confirm your request, you can find them by this tab, friends. This is all of my friends that I already requested by me. So thanks all for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.